Hey everybody, this is your girl Lakesha Monique of Embroidery Blanks. As you can see, I changed the name. Well, not completely changed. I'm still Lakesha Monique. And the only thing I did was add my company name to this YouTube page. Alright, this YouTube channel. Alright, but what I wanted to do first is I just had to get the Cricut Hat Press. I just had to get it. I was waiting for it, and they put it out for us to order. And of course I got it. I jumped right on it. So I'm going to open this right now. I just got it maybe about 20 minutes ago. I've been waiting and waiting. So I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to show you what it looks like. For right now, I'm pretty sure you've already seen it. Quite a few people have it already. As they said, Cricut was nice enough to send it to them. Unfortunately, Cricut wasn't nice enough to send me one. But that's okay. So, this is the box that it comes in. Alright, we're just going to open that up. I'm going to figure this out. And it's going to open this up because I will be pressing a hat today. And of course, that's going to be in the next part of the video. After this whole room, hold on. Okay. You know, got to hook it up to the computer, I would guess. Tray. And here's the hat press. Now, when looking at this, I noticed I was showing my son that I was telling him about the hat press. And I told him, I was like, well, it's kind of like the other Cricut that I have, but this is a Cricut mini press, and it is way smaller. I didn't realize how small it was until today, but it's really, really small. But it does the job. So yes, this is the new hat press, and I have so many hats, and I've had them for at least 2 years, because I had a 12 needle multi-needle embroidery machine, which I sold, but I've yet to get another one. It will be here soon. This is the Cricut tape. I don't know, I guess I'll give their tape a try. I have my own heat tape that I use, but I will definitely give them a try. And of course, here's the, I don't know what this is. Let's say that. I'm not sure. So, let's see. What is in here? Okay, just, I don't know. I guess something to stick on the Cricut. I don't know. Instructions, let's get started. Okay, so we'll do all of that off screen, hook it up, and you know, when I'm actually ready to press. But I did, you know, for those of you who are not on other channels and didn't see it, this is what you put the hat on. So I'm just going to take it out. I'm not going to put no hole in it. I'm glad it's already has a rip in it, so that's good enough for me. Make sure you throw away the silicone packs. Don't want them around your kids, not unless you are sending DTF transfers. Then I heard that these are good to put in the pack or something to keep them dry or something like that. So we're going to put that to the side. So, Cricut hat press. And got to find somewhere else to plug it in at. I don't have any outlets over here. This is for the hat. So when you put it on, it's like a big bean bag, you know, to keep your hat, you know, steady and in one place. I just happen to have a hat over here. So you just pull it over, adjust your hat the way that you need it. All right, there we go. That's nice. And once you do that, when you're ready to press, you're going to put that over right there. You'll go back and forth, you know, making sure that you cover everything that you need covered. Now, what I am going to do, and let me show you this, because this is why I want to put it on a hat. Now, I have my new logo and everything, and I've had some transfers done real quick. So, this is one transfer I'm going to put on a shirt. This is my mom. And I've actually had her photograph. I had it painted, and I had it embroidered. I put it on a hat, and now I put it on a transfer. So, I'll be doing that once I get some more shirts in. I have a new logo. This is going to be separate from Subroidery Blanks. It's already registered. Okay, it's called Peach 46. Not the trees. These are autism trees. They have puzzle pieces on them, if you can see it. As you know, Autism Awareness Month is next month, but for me, it's my whole life, because my son does have autism, Tourette syndrome, and ADHD. So that's my new logo. So I'm going to put one of these on the hat. Not sure which one. I got this one. The young lady sent it to me for free. I appreciate that so much. It's going to look so nice. And these transfers, they are so beautiful. But as I said, Autism Awareness Month is next month, but for me, it's my whole life. So I will be doing transfers for autism on some shirts that I have in the house for the younger kids, but I have to get some more adult shirts. But I'm going to put something on here later on in the next video, because I do have to make a run out, unfortunately. But I just wanted to show y'all that. So when I come back later, this will be ready. I'll have the transfer ready, and then we will transfer one of my logos on here and see how it comes out and see how you like it. All right, but for right now, this is your girl, Lakesha Monique. I'll be back at you with another video. Lakesha Monique of Subroidery Blanks. The link is in the description. Okay, so go to my website. Oh, and right now I have 2 tumblers, 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler, a 12-ounce skinny straight tumbler. I'm selling them as sets, 2 for $15. Get them while they last, because I will not be bringing them back any longer. After they're gone, that's it. All right, I'm done with tumblers. I've had so many that I'm not doing them again. So get them while you can. And if you even out the price, it's like $7.50 for one, which is cheaper than a lot of other people. All right, so that's big on the website, subroideryblanks.com. Check it out. All right, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.